And here you were, thinking a rivet was only good for holding metal sheets together or maybe securing a lock on a door. Oh, how small your imagination has been. Because apparently, the rivet has been hiding its secret talent all along, uniting wood like some kind of magical carpenter's tool. Who needs glue, screws, or nails when a shiny rivet can do the trick? Just follow this glorious step-by-step tutorial and prepare to be amazed. Soon, you'll be joining pieces of wood in ways you never thought possible. Innovation? No. It's pure improvised genius at work.